Every cartoon starts with an idea. It's the seed of a story. What do you want to share with the world? Maybe it's a funny adventure. It could be a heartfelt tale. Your story can be anything you imagine. Think about your characters. Who are they? What are their dreams, their flaws? What challenges will they face? Write down your ideas. Let them flow freely. Don't be afraid to explore different possibilities. Once you have a basic idea, create a script. This outlines the dialogue and action. It's like a roadmap for your cartoon. Remember, your story is a journey. Make it exciting, make it emotional, most importantly, make it your own. Characters are the heart of your cartoon. They need to be memorable and relatable. Start with simple sketches. Experiment with different looks and personalities. Think about their expressions. How do they show happiness, sadness, or anger? Exaggeration is key in animation. Big eyes can convey innocence. A wide, toothy grin can show mischief. Consistency is important. Create a character sheet for each character. This is a reference guide showing their design from different angles. It helps keep your characters looking the same throughout your animation. Remember, details matter. They bring your characters to life. A storyboard is like a comic book version of your animation. It's a series of drawings that show the flow of your story. Each drawing represents a scene or shot. Start by breaking down your script into individual scenes. Then sketch out each scene on a storyboard panel. Don't worry about making it perfect. Stick figures are fine. Storyboarding helps you visualize your animation. You can see how each scene connects to the next. It's also a great way to experiment with different camera angles and shot compositions. Think of it as planning your shots like a movie director. Traditional animation, or seal animation, is the art of creating moving images one frame at a time. It's the way cartoons were made for decades. Each drawing is slightly different, creating the illusion of movement when played in sequence. It's a time-consuming process, but very rewarding. You'll need special tools for traditional animation, like a lightbox and animation paper. You can use pencils, pens, or even paint to create your drawings. The key is to be patient and practice your drawing skills. Remember, every frame is a work of art. Nashtar Section 5, the digital dimension, exploring 3D animation. Three-dimensional animation uses computer software to create characters and environments that appear three-dimensional. It's a popular choice for feature films and video games. Instead of drawing each frame, you create models and rigs. These are digital puppets that you can pose and animate. Three-dimensional animation requires specialized software like Maya or Blender. These programs can seem daunting at first, but there are many tutorials available online. The possibilities with three-dimensional animation are endless. You can create realistic effects and breathtaking visuals. Nashtar Section 6. The power of voice, adding depth with sound. Sound is essential for bringing your cartoon to life. Voice acting gives your characters personality and emotion. Sound effects add impact and realism. Find voice actors who can bring your characters to life. Record their dialogue in a quiet space using a good quality microphone. You can find royalty-free sound effects online or create your own. Experiment with different sounds to enhance your animation. Remember, sound can be just as important as visuals in storytelling. Nashtar Section 7. Polishing your masterpiece, editing and special effects. Once you have all your animation and sound, it's time to edit it all together. Video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can help you assemble your cartoon. You can trim scenes, add transitions, and incorporate special effects. Special effects can range from simple color correction to explosions and magical powers. Editing is where your cartoon truly comes together. It's your chance to fine-tune the pacing, enhance the emotional impact, and add those final touches of magic. Section 8. Sharing your vision. Rendering and exporting. Rendering is the process of creating a final video file from your animation software. This can take a long time depending on the complexity of your animation and the power of your computer. Once your cartoon is rendered, you need to export it in a format that can be shared online or on DVD. Choose a video format that balances quality and file size. Now your cartoon is ready to be shared with the world. Section 9, finding your audience, distribution and marketing. Sharing your cartoon is exciting. You can upload it to video sharing platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. You can even submit it to film festivals, create engaging titles and descriptions to attract viewers. Use social media to promote your work and connect with other animators. Be patient and persistent in your marketing efforts. Building an audience takes time. Celebrate every view, like, and comment. Section 10, The Journey of 1,000 Frames. Tips for aspiring animators. Animation is a journey of creativity and perseverance. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Embrace the learning process. Practice your drawing skills every day. Study the work of animators you admire. Find your own style and voice. Most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Animation is a powerful medium. Use it to tell your stories and share your vision with the world. Section 11, The Magic of Animation. Conclusion. Creating an animated cartoon is an incredible journey. It's a blend of art, technology, and storytelling. It's about bringing your imagination to life, one frame at a time. Remember, there are no limits to what you can create. So grab your pencils, fire up your computer, and start animating. The world is waiting to see your stories come to life.